Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Rick and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So today is Saturday and me and my sister just got in from dinner. I wanted to start my intro before we went to dinner so I can vlog while we were there, but we were in the moment. So we ended up going to Ruth Chris. It was Khalila's first time. We ordered a lot of food. If you guys follow me on Instagram, then you've seen all the food that we ordered because she wanted to try a little bit of everything. So we had steak, we had shrimp, we had crab cakes, we had stuffed mushrooms, we had mashed potatoes, lobster mac and cheese, we had Brussels sprouts. We had a lot of stuff, but it was really good. So we just got home. We had a lot of leftovers. This is my bag and then Khalila's bag.
Hey girl,
How was
hey.
it?
I stole Chelsea saying it was good though.
You liked it?
I liked it.
Yeah, this is my little sister Khalila. Those of you that's new to my channel. So I just got my little package in. I bought a glass Nespresso drawer for my little coffee pods. So this is how it looks. Tony just put it together for me. So I'm gonna fill it up. I don't have that many pods, but I'll have this in the description box below if you guys are interested. So here it is. I'm gonna sit my Nespresso machine on top because y'all know my Nespresso machine is so small. So this is how it looks. It has like the little drawer right here. It just has all the spaces for the pods. So you just do it like this. So I'm just gonna get like some different ones because right now I just have like the dark roast and, well, this is the espresso roast, and then I have the blonde roast. This is the blonde roast from Starbucks. So I just need to get some different ones, you know, so I can have options. So yeah, this is my little drawer. I love it. It's so cute. Hey y'all, so today is 4th of July. I'm getting ready to go to my sister Quana's house. She's having a get together, and then I'm gonna come back. We're gonna throw some stuff on the grill, do some fireworks. So yeah, I'm waiting on Khalila. She's taking forever. Let me show y'all what I'm wearing real quick. So this is my outfit. I'm just wearing a linen outfit from H&M. I got the top from H&M and the shorts from H&M, my Louis bag, and then I'm just wearing my Zara slides. That is the outfit of the day. of the kebabs. I only made 3 of the bacon wrapped scallops because these are for my husband. He's the only one that's gonna eat these. And so yeah, just made those 3. But they look so good. And once that meat is cooked on there, it's gonna look delicious. Hey y'all, happy Monday. So right now I'm getting ready to head out. Me and my little sister are gonna do a little bit of shopping today, just a little, and then I'm taking her back home because she actually has to go to work. We had a really good time yesterday. I didn't vlog at my sister's house just because everybody don't like being on YouTube, so I didn't vlog over there. Really quick, one of you guys told me that these little arches right here that I told you guys about, she said that they're not available until the 11th of this month. So I guess like on the website. So this is the ones that'll be coming out soon, but I got mine already. So that's why you guys didn't see the link to it in the description box, because a lot of you guys have been asking me about those arches, but I couldn't find it, so I couldn't link it. But I'm gonna look today and see what it says on the website, because I didn't even pay attention to them being Studio McGee new collection. I didn't even pay attention to that. And then this vase, is this one Studio McGee too? Yes. This is also Studio McGee. So I guess it'll be out soon.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I wanna spend with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you.
Okay, y'all, so I just got back home. I'm sitting at my kitchen counter. Is what I got. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing for you guys. I think I might move my camera, and it got wet because it's raining outside. But let me change the angle real quick. Okay, that might be a little better. All right. So I actually bought two things. This. Here she is. So cute. I bought the scarf too, and she just tied it on the side. I thought it was really cute, so I told her to keep it on there. But I'll be wearing this on my head too. But it looks really cute on my bag. It has the drawstring right here. And I didn't get this hot stamped. I don't think I could. My other bag right here, I couldn't get this one hot stamped, or my toiletry 26 comes with this strap. Just says Louis Vuitton right here, and on this end too, so I could use it as a crossbody. So cute. I love this. Adorable. And I don't know why my camera looks so dark, child. Okay. So the scarf, it was $210, and after taxes it came out to $225.75. And then the bag was $23.90, and after taxes it came up to $25.69. So yeah, this is my new purse. I love it. So cute. It also has Louis Vuitton right here on the handle. Y'all probably can't tell, but it's so cute. Let's look at it in the mirror. I'm gonna sit y'all right here so y'all can see me trying it on. Hold on. So yeah, this is it. I love it. It's so cute. Super cute. And then I'll show y'all how it looks with the, where's my strap? Hold on. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like with the strap if I wanted to wear it crossbody, which I probably won't wear it crossbody. I don't know, we'll see. Y'all know I love crossbody, but I don't know if I would wear this one crossbody because it's really big. But I don't know, it look alright crossbody. Let me show y'all. Without the scarf, of course. I'm trying to hide the scarf so y'all can see. It look alright crossbody. But I probably mostly just carry it like this. Last week I was on Nasty Gal website, and well, it might have been 2 weeks ago because I just got it in last week. But I was on Nasty Gal website and I found this really cute outfit. It looks so good on the model, so I ordered it. It came in last night. It fit okay, but I don't know, I think I should have got my top a little bit smaller. I'm not too sure, but this is it right here. Very colorful, really cute. So I'm gonna try it on so you guys can see how it looks on me. So here's the outfit. So this is how the pants look on me. They're really cute, right? That's how they look in the back. They have this zipper on the side. I can't zip this all the way up because Auntie Flo, I'm a little bloated. But this is how they look from the side. And I like the outfit. It's long, they flare out at the bottom. I'm 5'5", just in case you guys are wondering. But I like it, but I still can't, because the shirt is really long, which, I mean, that could be cute, but I don't know, like, should I wear it tied up? I'm trying to look in the mirror, y'all. Should I wear it tied up like this? or, and then it has buttons on the side right here too, but what y'all think? I do like it. And this is how it looks tucked in, but the shirt is so big. I got a large. I probably should have got a medium because it's supposed to fit oversized, but I should have just got a medium instead. So yeah, this is how it is. And you do have to, I can't remember if I bought the pieces separate or together. I can barely tuck it in because it's like so much down here. I might end up getting it cut. But yeah. Tony, what you think about this outfit? Oh my gosh. He is so crazy. I'll have the link in the description box for the top and the bottom. If they don't come together, I'll make sure to link both. Hopefully they're still available. But yeah, this is the outfit. Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye y'all.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding.